was the black sheep of the family. I did a lot to make my parents happy. So one of the things when I finished high school, I said, hey, I'm gonna major in business because I know it'll make my dad happy. Hey, I'm gonna be a teacher. Yeah, I changed my major quite often. I'm gonna be a teacher to make my dad happy. Nah, I wanna get into computer. Dad said computers are the end thing. I'm gonna get into computers. Nah, no, nothing made me happy. Until I said to myself, you know what? Screw it. I'm gonna go into drama. I'm gonna take the drama that I've been giving my mom and dad. Sorry. I'm gonna take that drama and I'm gonna just put it somewhere. And when I came to mentor for Enpine, I spoke to the kids about following your dreams. It's important for you guys to follow your dreams. Dad always pushed us away from the entertainment world, but all of us, we came right back. In 2018, I shot a show called Smilf. In the second season, they had to establish the character. So Frankie calls me up and says, hey, what language do you know? I said, I know this and this, but I am Samoan. That's who I am. Speak fluently, was raised in Samoa. And so they brought me in, they brought in the writer's room. I had a session with the writer's room, everything they wanted to know about Samoa. So they created this character. First time they were gonna have her speak also in her language. They were gonna have her show the character she was babysitting how to dance Samoan. And I was so excited. I was so excited. When they were choosing the music, actually I didn't know they were choosing music until I read the script and they said a Samoan song was playing on the radio. And I asked them, hey, what song do you guys have in play? And they had a 5-star song, which I love 5 stars. I love 5 stars. You're not Samoan if you don't love 5 stars. So I asked them, I said, hey, is it possible if you guys would take a look at my dad's songs? So they listened to a few songs and they chose a song. And they chose Olaga Samoa, one of my dad's favorite and most well-known songs. Chose that, so that was epic, literally epic for me. You got Jerome Grey's daughter in there dancing and singing to a Samoan song, which was his song. That was first time televised in a national show. When Mom and Dad saw that, they teared. Of course, I had to fast forward parts because it was that kind of show. But Mom and Dad, Dad especially, couldn't stop thanking me. Couldn't stop. Sisa, you know? It made me happy because, again, Dad and I always try to do things to make my dad proud, but that was probably one of the best moments to have my dad say something and mean it, and it meant a lot to me. That was cool. Hey guys, March 26th, here in Costa Mesa, California. We're in the OC, Orange County. Come and join us. Come and be a part of the celebration that we're putting on for Dad. It means a lot to us to see our family and friends supporting and also involved in it. So if you have nothing to do, come out on March 26th at the Fed in Costa Mesa. Have everybody out there just to see this man cry. I want him to cry. Dad never cries in person. Maybe once when I was being naughty.